So as we're talking about complex industrial transformations, can you define that? Can you put bounds on what is a complex industrial transformation?
Yeah. So there are different complexity drivers, but what I would say, at times you are transforming a department, like we are changing our sales operating model. And if you do that in a team, in a country, it can be having a certain level of complexity, but it might not impact the entire enterprise. I talk about complex industrial transformations when the nature of the transformation impacts pretty much the entire enterprise. Means you cannot ignore it, whatever is your role on the C level or on the VP level, and whatever we do will impact the other functions of the enterprise as well. So there is a system connection, an interlink, what makes that if we change the way we innovate, it will impact the way we produce. If we want to go towards automation, we will have to rethink the way we develop and design products. And this is what creates the complexity, because you are addressing something what needs to be looked at in a holistic way and approached in a very systematic way. And those things are typically linked to a lot of change management. People are most of the time afraid about change. Everybody is excited about change, but when it really comes to change, people will go back to their comfort zone. It's not bad intention or malice, it's just a natural reflex we all have as humans. We go back to comfort zone. So complex transformations have a lot of dimensions, but also a very important dimension which is linked to cultural change management.